Hi, I'm Logan Newman from Newman Specials Woodworking. You can find me on Facebook and Instagram at Newman Specials Woodworking. I want to show you my simple, quick and easy and cheap circle jig for the bandsaw. All it has is a 2x2 plywood sheet, groove cut for the blade, grooves cut for dowels to ride in. I put a toggle clamp on the bottom and a stop on the front. It slides onto the bandsaw simply like this, almost up to the blade. Toggle the clamp on the bottom. Clamp the side. Now you have a nice stable base. Safety glasses. I've got a plywood square just over 12 inches. I have a dowel drilled right into the middle of it. I got two grooves here, one cut at 5 3/4, one cut at 11 3/4. This is going to give me a 12-inch diameter. This is going to give me a 24-inch diameter. I could put more in, but those are the only two I needed. I'm going to slide along this groove. If I hit the stop, nice simple circle, easy to see, easy to do. I did a hole